Hello everyone, I'm back again with another NBA video. In this one, I'm gonna show you how to invite your crossplay friends to your city in NBA 2K26 so you can finally play together no matter what platform you're on. So first, from the main menu, head over to features, then go into settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the crossplay option. Make sure that's turned on. If you're on PlayStation, that's all you need to do right here. But if you're on Xbox, you'll also need to go into your console's privacy settings and turn on crossplay there as well. It's an extra step outside of 2K, so don't forget to enable it. Once that's done, load into your My Career and head into the city. Now to pull up your list of friends, press L1 and R1 together on PlayStation or LB and RB on Xbox. You'll see your friends list pop up. From here, go to the top where your name is displayed and you can search for your friend's name to add them as your 2K friend. When they receive the request, make sure both of you have crossplay enabled and that your friend request and game invites are turned on. Once you are both added as 2K friends, you can click on your friend's name and invite them to your squad. If they are nearby, you can see them in the same park area, or if they are in different one, just send them an invite to your session directly. Once they accept, they'll be able to join your park or city and play with you right away. That's pretty much of it. Super simple. Once everything set up correctly, make sure crossplay is enabled on both ends, add each other as 2K friends and use those invites to squad up. Hope this helps you out. If it did, like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.